Hey, mom and dad. Wanted to just say hi to you and let you know that things are going well at Sanborn. I think Hunter and Anna are getting here right now. They ended up not making it up here. Last night they decided to stop, like right by Lamar's or something, that things were just getting a little fishy. And so you've raised a good grandson and making a decision there to make sure that things are safe. So when it got a little bit dicey, he just said, "Nope, we're not going to go any further." So they were going to come up this morning, and I think they're just coming about right now. So they should be here. I'm going to run home and check on them. We'll get that figured out how we can remote into your Chromebook and get that Zoom set up because I kind of want that for us. So I just wanted to let you know we're going to make that work. It's just going to take a little time, and I hope things are going well. And love you lots. Bye.